Laurie, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
About my neighbor's tree. I live in a housing plan, and the base of the tree is only like a foot off my property. So half of the tree is over my deck and my house.
You mean the limbs?
And my neighbor won't. The limbs, yes. It's a big tree, so...
Well, Laurie, here's the...
And my neighbor...
If this is what you're asking me, Laurie, your property line goes down to the center of the earth and it goes up into space. Any branches that are hanging over your property line, you have a right to trim with these qualifications. Number one, you may not go on your neighbor's property unless they give you permission to do so. And number two, you have to be reasonable. So you couldn't just shave it right down the side of your property line, but you can trim branches as long as you're reasonable. Does that answer your question for you, Laurie?
Well, is there any way to get them to cut the tree or to remove the tree? Like all this stuff is going on my porch and on my property. So
the only way to get leverage over your neighbor to force them to remove that tree is if it is dead, dying, damaged, or diseased. Stated another way, if it's healthy, there's nothing you can do to make them do that for you.
How about with all this stuff coming on my property? Like I said, the trunk of the tree is only 1 foot off of my property. So, like, the soot and everything, I mean, it's massive. And acorns and everything's on my property. Is there anything I can do about that?
And, Laurie, I'm going to stick to the answer that I gave you, and based on what you're telling me so far, the answer is no, unless you want to reasonably trim at your own expense some of those tree branches that hang over your property line. Good luck to you, Laurie.